Did one misaligned gear tooth stop an astronomical revolution? Simulating the Antikythera mechanism uncovers jamming risks. Imagine an ancient device that maps the heavens, one that vanished beneath the waves for 2 millennia. What if the fate of that marvelous creation rested on a single tiny gear tooth? When researchers at the Universidad Nacional de Mar del Plata recreated the Antikythera mechanism in silico, they discovered a chilling risk. Microscopic misalignments could jam the entire system. By blending modern digital scans and historic analyses of its odd triangular teeth, they found that even the most ingenious tooth shape couldn't overcome the slightest spacing error. So how often would this celestial calculator seize up? Early simulations under realistic loads saw stalls on nearly every turn, forcing operators to crank, reset, and crank again. Was this device a reliable tool for ancient stargazers, or a temperamental showpiece for the elite? Corrosion and modern scan limits blur our view of the original precision. Could its maker, 2,000 years ago, achieve the sub-millimeter tolerances needed for smooth operation? Or did time underwater distort a once-perfect machine beyond recognition? In the end, we face big questions. Did the ancients have secret techniques we've lost? Have countless prototypes been lost to history's tides? And will future dives finally reveal a flawless sibling of this legendary timepiece? One misaligned tooth, and an astronomical revolution might have stalled before it ever began. The rest of the news is in the link below. Do not forget to follow and share. Information multiplies as it is shared.